Children, so here we will study subject maths, page number 34, spellings of that 21 to 30, number names. First we starting from 21 to 30 here. 1 to 20 I've taught you in that first video, that your first unit exam. Here you can see that matchsticks bundle, 10 bundle, 1 is of 10 bundle, 2 is of 10 bundle. It becomes what? 10 plus 10, 20, and 1 is what? 21. And the spelling of 21, this one is that number and number name TWENTY, 20, ONE, 1, 21. Spelling of 22, same you write, 20, TWENTY, 20, TWO, 2. So this way you have to complete spelling till 29, 21 to 29. Spelling of 20, 20, 20 this side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 this side. And what comes after 29? What comes after 29? 30, 30, 30, and spelling of 30, THIRTY, 30. So this way your spellings from 21 to 30 is completed. You see that page number 24, all are clearly written there. 20, 20, 21 side. From 1 to 9 numbers are there. Then at the end that spelling of 30 is written. Now page number 35 open. Here you see that bundle of crayons, 10, 10, 10, 30 and 1 added, so it becomes 31. Here 31 to 40 we will learn. Take 30 crayons bundle, 10 crayons bundle, make 3 bundles of 10, then put 1 along with that, so it becomes 31. Okay, and spelling of 31, THIRTY, 30, ONE, 1, 31. Similarly, spelling of 32, 30, TWO, 2. You will write that, copy that, 30 spelling here. Spelling of 33, you write 33 here. Spelling of 34, spelling of 30 you write here. Spelling of 4, FOUR, 4. Alright. So this way you have to complete spelling from 1 to 9. You can see here on page number 35, 31 to 9, 39. It means 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. What comes after 39? 40. Spelling of 40, FORTY, 40. You not supposed to write FOURTY. If you write FOURTY, it will be wrong. I will cut that. Spelling of 40 is what? FORTY, 40. 41, 42, 43. Till 9 you write that same way. FORTY, 40. ONE, 1. And till 49 you write here. And what comes after 49? Page number 36 you see that what comes after 49? 50. 50, 50. And spelling of 50, FIFTY, 50. Then what you have to do? Just start writing 51. So 51 onwards will come that in your that next unit exam. Till 50 you have to learn. Okay? In this half yearly examination you have to learn the spellings from 21 to 50. As it's given in your syllabus also that number names 21 to 50 are coming in your half yearly examination. And the trick I am telling you that what you have to do, first learn the spellings of 20, TWENTY 20, spelling of 30, THIRTY 30, spelling of 40, FORTY 40, and spelling of 50, FIFTY 50. And what you have to do, that if you know the spelling of 20, so you can write 21 to 29 very easily, just because you know the spellings very well. 1 to 9, ONE1, TWO2, THREE3, FOUR4, FIV5, SIX6, SEVN7, EIGST8, NINE9. Till 9 you write with 20. Okay, so it will become 21 to 29 spelling. And what comes after 29? 30. You write the spelling of 30, THIRTY. Then what comes after 30? 31. So what you will do? THIRTY 30 write, and ONE1 till 9 the spelling there, and that one side 30 30 30 and another side you write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. It will become 31, 32, 33, 34. Like I taught you that. You can take the help of your book also if there is any confusion. 31, 32 like that till 9, 39, and what comes after 39? 40. Okay? And after 40 it's a 41, page number 36 you see. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. What comes after 49? 50. Spelling of 50, FIFTY 50. So you have to learn first these 4 spellings, 20, 30, 40, 50. Then 1 to 9 you know very well, and accordingly you will add there 1 to 9 spelling of with all these that number names. Okay, this way easily can write, and just you have to read and learn also. You can take the help of your this book and the help of your table book also. Number names are also there. So in half yearly 21 to 50 you have to learn. Okay, thank you class.